Hi, I'm Yucheng Luan. Einstein once said, everything is energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be transformed. In our recent paper in APR Materials, we demonstrated the conversion of molecular thermal energy into electricity using an innovative nano device we developed. Now we are working on a prototype with much enhanced power density. We believe this breakthrough could one day power all kinds of microelectronics, including smartphones, sensors, and portable electronics continuously, without the need of recharging, as the energy source is from the surrounding molecules, like air. We hope more people will join our endeavor to develop this technology. Thanks again to APR Materials for helping spread our work.